Hello and welcome. I'm Raghav and today we will learn how to install Groovy on Mac operating system, and this will be very easy and very interesting. And a prerequisite on Mac or any operating system where you need Groovy is Java should be installed. So we should already have Java. So if I go to my terminal on Mac, I can run the command java space hyphen version, and this should show me the Java version. So just in case Java is not installed on your Mac operating system, you can first install Java, and in the notes I will provide a link to my tutorial on how to install Java on Mac operating system, so you can watch that, and you will find the link in the description below this video, so you can watch that in case Java is not installed. And then we will start with Groovy installation, and for that you can go to the Groovy official documentation. So I will search Groovy on Google, and here you can see this is the official link for Groovy, which is groovy-lang.org. So if I go here, and here I will go to the documentation, and here you can see we have a link to install Groovy. I will go here, and here you can see we have a link here, installation on Mac operating system. I will go here, and let me also copy this link in the notes, and all these notes will be available to you. So this is the link from where you can see the steps, and here on Mac you can either use Mac ports or you can use Homebrew. So Homebrew will be a very easy and straightforward way, so you can get Homebrew on your Mac. And if you go to the Homebrew website, which is brew.sh, I will also copy the link here. Here you can just go to your terminal and run this command, and it will install Homebrew. And Homebrew you can use to install packages or softwares on Mac. Okay, so here you can also see Homebrew install the stuff you need that Apple uh, or Linux didn't. So this is a application or software that you can use to install the missing packages in Mac operating system. So this is the link that you can directly run, and once you have done this, you can just go to your terminal, and I will say brew hyphen version just to check the brew version. So brew should also already be there on my Mac operating system, and maybe I think this is brew space hyphen v. Let me just check. Yes, so I have this brew installed, or I can say brew space hyphen version, and let me check. Yes, this is the correct command. And once you have brew installed, the command for installing Groovy is brew install Groovy. So I'll just say brew install Groovy, and this should update brew and install Groovy. So you can see it is updating Homebrew, and once it has updated all the libraries in Homebrew, it will start installing Groovy. And once Groovy is installed, you can run the command groovy space hyphen v or groovy space hyphen version to check the Groovy version installed. So here it is downloading Apache Groovy, and this is the latest version as of now, and it will always download the latest version. So let me just wait for this process to get completed, and looks like this is done. So if I say groovy space hyphen v, I should get the Groovy version, and you can see this is here, and I say groovy space hyphen version, this should give me the same result. And yes, and I can also say which Groovy, and you can see it shows the path of Groovy. So this means Groovy is now installed on Mac operating system, and this is how you can very quickly install Groovy on your Mac. I hope this session was very useful for you. Thank you for watching.